From Skinny Puppy to Frontline Assembly to early VNV Nation and KMFDM, what do they all have in common? The Sequential Pro-1. Today we're putting the Behringer Pro-1 to the test to see if it can deliver that industrial sound too. The Sequential Circuits Pro-one is a monophonic analog synth produced by Sequential Circuits in the early 80s. To me, it's probably the most important and popular synth among industrial artists. The Pro-one was used on pretty much every Skinny Puppy track ever made. And fun fact, it's also behind that cool bass line behind KMFDM's Ready to Blow. VNV Nation also used it to create most of the bass lines on their early work, such as Praise the Fallen and Empire's my favorite. I always wanted that sound in my setup, but without the limitations of a vintage synth. So I figured the Behringer clone would be the perfect solution. According to the Behringer website, it's an ultra-affordable homage to that iconic synthesizer with all the features of the original and then some. Just like the original, it's fully analog. You've got two oscillators, a mixer section, and of course the iconic VCF and VCA designs. Down here is the arpeggiator section, and on the side here's the modulation matrix. Like I said earlier, Ronan Harris used the Pro-one for most of the bass lines on Empire and Praise the Fallen, so let's have fun and recreate the bass from Darkangel. So this is a pretty simple sound. I added some reverb and delay. It's more like a snappy sound, like very short. Like that. Maybe a bit more. Yeah, something like that. Let's add another oscillator. That's very cool. I love that riff. Sounds amazing. Now let's go for something more aggressive. Like I also mentioned earlier, the bass from KMFDM's Ready to Blow was made on a Pro-one. So let's try to recreate it. Okay, let's turn up the sustain. It's a very simple sound too. Let's add another oscillator. Almost there. There's also this insane bass line from Skinny Puppy's One Time One Place that was made with a Pro-one. That's one of my favorite sequences ever made. I don't think it's exactly the same, but it's almost the same. Okay, maybe an octave down. Something like that. Let's add an oscillator. Add the pulse width. Another sawtooth. Lower. Maybe a bit of noise. Let's have fun. I like that. Sounds so good. that's cool. For now, it sounds very impressive, but let's take it a step further and create an old school industrial track with it. I just released a mix-ready drum kit sample pack featuring old school CMI Fairlight samples, like those used on Ministry's Twitch album. So let's combine that with the Pro-1 and make a track. Let's go.